Hello guys, this is Liwi Textile Company from Shaoxing. Today I will show you the working process of the printing factory. The process of flat screen printing is now shown. One plate is one color. This design has many colors, so many sets of plates are used. The color after the printing process is very light. What's going on now is high temperature steam. Then the color will revert to the true color. The color much brighter now, right? Now it's the washing process. Washing, there is the final process, setting. Setting will determine the head feel, style, weight and width of the fabric. Okay, follow our channel to learn more about textile products and production process.